Pi Network, initially regarded as just another cryptocurrency experiment, has now evolved into one of the most intriguing initiatives in the financial and technological world. With a vision to create a cryptocurrency accessible to everyone, Pi Network is challenging traditional financial systems and reshaping our understanding of digital assets. What began as a project that many considered a mere conversation piece is now proving to be a transformative force with the potential to change the global financial Pi network, initially regarded as just another cryptocurrency experiment, has now evolved into one of the most intriguing initiatives in the financial and technological world. With a vision to create a cryptocurrency accessible to everyone, Pi Network is challenging traditional financial systems and reshaping our understanding of digital assets. What began as a project that many considered a mere conversation piece is now proving to be a transformative force with the potential to change the global financial landscape. The rise and evolution of Pi Network launched in 2019. Pi Network set out with the mission to make cryptocurrency accessible to people around the world, even to those who lacked advanced devices or deep knowledge of blockchain technology. By introducing a simple mining model that could be done on smartphones, Pi Network quickly attracted over 45 million active users. This success marked the beginning of a new era in cryptocurrency, one that promised inclusivity and ease of access. At first, Pi Network operated on a testnet, allowing users to begin mining Pi coins through a simple and user-friendly interface. Over time, however, Pi Network has transitioned to a more robust system, moving towards its mainnet. This shift brings Pi Network closer to realizing its ultimate goal, to become a widely used cryptocurrency in everyday transactions and across industries globally. From Pi to 314.159 USD, can Pi Network surpass Bitcoin? When comparing Pi Network to Bitcoin, there are several striking points to consider. Bitcoin, created in 2009 by the pseudonymous Satoshi Nakamoto, had a total supply of 21 million BTC, and its value started at less than a cent. Fast forward to today, and Bitcoin is trading at around $80,000 per coin, marking an incredible increase in its value. However, Pi Network's potential could surpass even Bitcoin's growth. With a much larger total supply, 100 billion Pi, which is 4,761 times the supply of Bitcoin. Pi Network offers an intriguing possibility for much greater growth. While skeptics may question the effects of such a large supply, mathematical projections show that if Pi reaches a value of $314.159 per Pi, its price will have increased by more than 314,000 times its current value. This is a substantial gain compared to Bitcoin's 26.6 million times growth. The potential and challenges facing Pi Network. As Pi Network attracts more attention, it also faces several challenges. One of the major hurdles is the transition from testnet to mainnet, which will determine how Pi can be used in real-world transactions. Additionally, integrating Pi into global payment systems and encouraging adoption across various industries will be critical to the project's success. Yet there is one key aspect that distinguishes Pi Network from other cryptocurrencies: its emphasis on sustainability and inclusivity. By allowing almost anyone in the world to participate in the network, Pi Network opens up opportunities for people who previously had no access to blockchain technology or could not afford the necessary hardware to mine cryptocurrency. What's next after Open Mainnet? With the upcoming mainnet launch, Pi Network is accelerating toward its ultimate goal of becoming a global currency. After the Open Mainnet phase, Pi will enter a stage where it becomes usable for everyday transactions, integrating with various decentralized applications, DD that will bring more utility to Pi users. These dApps will give developers the chance to create innovative solutions that support Pi's expanding economy. The emergence of these decentralized applications is crucial because they will help Pi Network's ecosystem become more than just a currency. The dApps will foster a wide range of use cases, from online shopping and remittances to investment opportunities in decentralized finance, DeFi platforms, making Pi not only a currency, but an entire ecosystem with the potential to disrupt traditional finance. Boundless opportunities on the horizon. If Pi Network can truly reach a price of $314.159 per Pi, the gains for early adopters will be immense. Those who have been mining Pi since 2019 will reap substantial rewards, but more importantly, Pi will be recognized as a legitimate currency in the global economy. As more industries adopt Pi as a payment method, its market value will continue to rise, and its utility will extend beyond digital assets. However, Pi Network is not just about financial gain. It represents an opportunity to be part of a more inclusive, decentralized financial system that is accessible to people across the globe. For those who join the Pi movement, there's a chance to contribute to a broader vision that could reshape the financial landscape for years to come. Conclusion: the time to act is now. Pi Network's potential growth from Pi to 314.159 USD is not just a pipe dream, it is an achievable reality. As the project moves closer to the mainnet launch, Pi Network is laying the groundwork for a new era in cryptocurrency. For those who have supported the project from its early stages, the chance to witness a brighter financial future is now within reach. So the question is, are you ready to be a part of this global financial revolution? Now is the time to get involved, take action, and seize the extraordinary opportunities that Pi Network is presenting to the world. With a forward-looking vision, Pi Network is poised to become more than just another cryptocurrency. It is set to be a key player in the future of global finance. Don't forget to click subscribe, like, and share. Thank you.